Hello friends, good evening everyone. Today we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of fraction. And here we have a question on the board. Simplify 5 whole number 3 over 4 plus 2 whole number 5 over 6 plus 1 whole number 2 over 3. That's a question. Now this is how it goes. We are going to take few steps on how to do this. The first step is simply to add your whole numbers. The second step is to find your LCM. So let's get started. Now let us add our whole numbers. So we write solution and then our whole numbers. Now let's quickly add. 5 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number. So 5 plus 2 plus 1, and that is 8 whole number. 8 whole number. Now just do the plus sign this way and then draw a line. So the next is for us to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 3. You may ask, why are we looking for the LCM of 4, 6 and 3? The simple answer to that is because these 4, 6 and 3 are the denominators. So we find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, now let's get started. Here we have 4. We have to find the LCM. That is the lowest common multiple, 6 and then 3. This way, start looking for a common factor. In fact, prime factors of 4, 6 and then 3. 2 is a prime factor. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 3 divided by 2, of course, it cannot be divided. There must be a remainder. So because of that, we'll write down 3. And then another prime factor again is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 3. 3 will still go down. And then 3 divided 1. Then 3 divided by 3, 1. 1. So that's it. Now the LCM here becomes 2 times 2 times 3, which is 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 3 is 12. So the LCM becomes 12. Now use this LCM to divide by each of these denominator and then multiply it by the numerator. So we say 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then 3 times 3, 9. You write the 9 up. The next, 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Put a plus sign, 10. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So here we have 9 plus 10 plus 8. So we have our 8 whole number plus. Now 9 plus 10, 19 plus 8, 27. So we have 27 divided by 12. 27 divided by 12. Now take a look at 27 divided by 12 or 27 over 12. Now you can actually see that 27 over 12 is an improper fraction. So all you have to do is to change the improper fraction to a mixed number, and it's very simple. So let's change it to mixed number. How many 12 are there in 27? Okay, 12, 12, and that 12 again, that is 24. And that's all again, that is 36. So we have only 2 12 in 27. So let's say that 2 is a whole number, 2 whole number. And then when you remove 24 from 27, that means 27 minus 24. Then you will be left with 3. And so you have 3 over 12. Now this is a whole number, this is a whole number. Add these two whole numbers together, it becomes 10 whole number 3 over 12. The whole number 3 over 12. Look at 3 and then look at 12. You can reduce them to its lowest term. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 12 is 4. So our final answer here is 10 whole number 1 over 4. Amazing. So this is just a simple step on how to add your fractions. Steps are add the whole numbers and then find the LCM. Use the LCM to divide by each of the denominators and then multiply by the numerator. Once you've done those few steps, you are good to go.